to the skies, a little cloud comes drifting through. Warm breeze floats down through the trees, ringing songs for me and you. Take a walk down a country lane and leave your worries far behind. Find a place you can be alone and let the country heal your mind. There are so many things I know you'd love to see in this land we call our own. Out in the country, life and love are always free. That is where I'll make my home. Out in the country, breathing good air. Out in the country, so many things to share. Summertime, go down by the lake and let the world just pass you by. Look up, a gull swoops overhead. How I wish that I could fly. Down by the water is where I love to spend my time. Watch the sunset on the lake. Nature is declaring the handiwork of God. His love is here to share, not take. Out in the country, breathing good air. Out in the country, so many things to share. Out in the country, feeling so fine. Out in the country, sure puts to rest my mind.